We are the Easy Wanderlings and we are actually super excited to be here. Our workshop went great. So nice to meet the kids here and good to see their enthusiasm to listen and learn.
How we started, we've been a band for 8 years. From when we started our writing process, what we did to keep going. Yeah, we also kind of played a few of our tunes and spoke about the business side of music.
I think GMI has got a lot of things going for it, and they have great faculty and speakers coming from all over the world to kind of give their students a really good experience. I think that's awesome.
And GMI has been doing a fantastic job, and this workshop for me was a hands-on experience to see how students here are getting experience, understanding not just from a theoretical chalkboard perspective, but getting actual real life experiences, understanding how the world works, because theoretically it might be completely different and on the ground it's a whole different thing.